straight on his heart. I put it straight. Yep, he's dead. It just fell over. It just fell.
Alright guys, it is October 25th and it is currently about 80 degrees at 11:30 at night. We just got to the cabin, just pulled in, just got everything unloaded. Gonna get a few things set up. Supposed to be in the 50s in the morning. You'll wake up, a little bit of a front coming through tonight. Had several deer in the food plot when we come through, just pulling in the driveway here. Not sure we're gonna hunt it in the morning yet, but hopefully we have something come out and give us a look. We're gonna finish getting set up, get to sleep, get up in the morning and give it a shot.
This is the smartest place outdoors. I'm trying to catch our eyes up on what we've been doing. It's like a light right now. We've been waiting for a deer. And I'm hoping we don't be staying here for till 10. And all I'm hoping is that we get a deer. So, yeah.
On this little small food plot we put in last year. On the way in last night, we had a couple deer in the big food plot. Then my camera up behind us on top of the hills had a few deer on it this morning before light.
And we got a good sign of a pretty, we think it's a deer.
We kind of sounded like we had one maybe walk through this morning when it was still dark, just to the north of us. We're gonna hang out till about 10 o'clock, then go get some lunch and see what we're gonna do this afternoon. Don't move so much. They have a good shot. Should get a clear shot. A few more steps. You ready? Go ahead, get ready.
He's dead. I put it straight on his heart. Yep, he's dead. He fell over. He just fell. He just fell over. No way. For real. Did I just kill him?
I think you did, son.
I'm literally shaking. I'm trying to blood. That's my second deer down. That's some more meat in the bank.
Yeah. All right, go ahead, chamber another round. Go back forward. All right, put it back on safety. Put it back on safety. Okay.
There's no way. That's my favorite smell. Of all the smells, that's my favorite smell.
It looked like you might have been a little bit far forward. I think you got it, but he should be good.
I know where he is, but I'm just gonna check the blood for fun.
We will. Let's just give him time. That was at 7:32. 7:32 a.m. Oh, got some deer meat. Hold still.
I'm literally shaking right now.
Alright, so tell him what happened, Kit Kat, from the beginning. You first saw him.
So I heard something like walking. It was pretty loud. I heard something walking by there, and I thought it was just a squirrel, because there's been a lot of squirrels over here that's been walking on the ground. But then he walks out. I see something moving that isn't like a squirrel size. And yes, I am shaking right now. And I see him. I could have got the perfect shot right here, but he was staring straight at me, so I couldn't move my gun. But then he came here, he waited here for about 2 or 3 minutes, went back over here, and then waited here for another 2 or 3 minutes, came in, walked. I had the shot, but I had it on safety, and then he walked down a little bit more, and then I shot, and then I took it off safety, and I shot him, and this whole entire, what I'm saying right now, I'm doing it shaking.
Yeah, you did a good job.
What?
Nothing.
Yeah, what?
Me and my buddy Tony, we cleared this plot last year. And I came in, me and Jake come up here back early September, took a weed eater down and just took all the grass and weeds and stuff out of it, and we planted it. And then,
This spot used to be like grass up to like 3 feet tall.
Yeah. And they
Trees.
come up,
Everywhere.
2 weeks ago, just passing through really, and the clover and everything was doing real well. It was a solid, almost a solid layer, a carpet of clover, but it's been so dry. We haven't had any rain.
I love eating clover.
I know.
Because I can.
I know. We haven't had any rain lately to speak of. Deer coming through here eating. Ain't much left.
What's that like? That clover that has the little like seeds on it that are real sour?
It's not clover. That's
It's like clover.
that's wood sorrel. Yellow wood sorrel.
I want it so bad. That stuff's so good.
Yeah. All right. Well, give a few more minutes. We're gonna get down and go check it out. What I look for is deer. He is very impatient, little boy. He wants to get down right now and go. But like I told him, sometimes you'll bump him. You may jump it up and it may run 2 miles before it dies. Where if you leave it laying right there, it may lay there for 30 minutes and die. You don't have to track it. So we still got about 10 minutes before we're going to get up and go look. You ready to go look?
Mm-hmm. I want to see where I hit him.
I want to see where you hit him too. I think you hit him a little far forward.
That'll be okay.
Shh, don't get him loud. I think you hit him a little far forward, and that's why he was down on that front shoulder when he was running. This is the first deer with this 350 Legend. Everything else he shot at or shot was muzzleloader.
Hey, dude, we gotta be long legs.
Yeah. And with Arkansas's new Arkansas changed the muzzleloader season to alternative weapons season. So you still can use muzzleloaders, but you can also use straight walled center fire.
And that means I could use my 350 Legend.
I think it's got to be like straight walled center fire over 30 caliber. So his 350 Legend is ideal for him and for this. After seeing what it did to that deer, I'm pretty sure it's what Sam will get also. But I still like my old muzzleloader.
Like that muzzleloader. I like all my guns.
We're going to give it about 10 more minutes. About 8 more minutes. Wind's blowing pretty hard. Got the leaves raining down everywhere. It's been right at an hour since he shot. We'll go ahead and get down. He can't stand it any longer. So we're going to unload our guns, lower them down. We're going to get a little tracking job here, even though I'm pretty sure we saw him go down. But
I know, but I still wouldn't track him just for fun. And we're going to be picking up my deer, and I'll be so excited. I'm so excited right now. Was that burning?
I don't know if you did it too fast. You hung up. Yeah, we got the little rub right here. That deer came from around there, went down, and popped out right over there. So let's go. Look for blood. Her hair. Look for blood. Her hair. On that leaf. Is that blood? Right there.
That's a chunky boy.
Alright, follow it. You little spike on this rock right here. There's some right there. Go from here. Did he go that way? Or did he go that way? I see 2 disturbances on these. I see a disturbance going this way. Then I see a disturbance going this way. Hmm?
The blood is right there.
You got blood right there.
But then it does not come
No.
back up.
It's
So when you lose blood like this,
Yeah.
you gotta kind of, okay, was he going in this direction? Did he go a few feet? Look for blood. You don't find any blood this way, you go back to where you last found blood. And you go, okay, well maybe he turned here. You go slow. If you don't see anything,
I'm pretty sure that is. I think it just went straight.
well, sometimes just look around, see if you see a deer.
Yeah, I hit low.
Well, go see.
Is he dead?
Go.
Oh yeah, I destroyed that stone. Yep, he's dead.
Go up to him, gently nudge him from behind. Walk around the back side of him. Even if you gotta go up and around that way, look, go that way, up and around.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's dead.
Or we'll come down to the back side of him, kind of nudge him in the butt.
Alive? I don't think you are. Yep, he's dead. He definitely
Alright, let's. Here's your gun down over here on this log. See where you come up.
Are we gonna blur the blood out?
No, there's not a lot of blood. Alright, huh. Take a good look at him.
Whoa, his eyes are like glowing.
Mm-hmm.
He's hot too. Oh, come through this. It's so tall.
Here.
Oh, he's heavy.
Yeah.
There he is.
Big spike. He hit him. Watch out.
Right here.
He actually hit him.
I think that's a
Which
piece
he
of
was-
his bone right there.
The deer was slightly quartering towards us, I believe. But he actually hit him in front of the shoulder, which is exited the other side,
Yeah,
right
and
on the
thing-
shoulder.
It turned because, hold on.
It was kind of turned towards us a little bit.
Yeah, that.
So you just went a little bit too far forward with that one, okay? Next time, keep it up here.
Okay.
You feel this
But he's still
void right there where
Yeah.
it's kind of soft as nothing? That's the best spot to hit them. Alright, so,
Well, I still killed him at least.
oh yeah, you didn't go far at all.
That's,
Uh,
I never
The stand is right there, just up on this ridge. It's not. A deer didn't go 30 yards, if even that far. Yep. I know. Good little buck, Kit Kat.
I know. Not too bad.
Good little buck.
Not too bad.
This is where I thought I saw him lay down at. He come down this side, run down to here, run over there, and right here's where I lost sight of him. But thought I saw him roll, and you can see all the blood here, up here. And he come down and just rolled down into there, into this creek, in this dry creek bed. But we're not. If you look, right there's the cabin. We're not, I don't know, 40 yards from the cabin where the deer lay down. Oh shit, leave the little ticks alone. Alright, let's go get the sled and come back and get him.
Okay.
Alright. We got him loaded up. We'll drag him the short distance to the cabin there. Ready?
Yep. With my bloody hand.
Hold on, we'll get all this stuff off. You want to eat a breakfast real quick before we clean him?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna unload some of this gear we got on and get a bite to eat real quick before we get the skin in.
And then he walks back out. I couldn't get a clear shot on him because there was too much brush. And the only shot I could really get was a neck shot.
Yeah.
And then he really came out. And then, then I hit him directly, like, below the shoulder.
Kind of in front of the shoulder.
Kind of below and in front of the shoulder.
Oh, good. That's great. What'd you do when you shot it? Were you real happy like the last time?
Yeah.
That's great, kid. You're so awesome.
Dad did something funny though. I was looking for the deer. I was tracking the blood like I always do. Couldn't find no blood trail, and then Dad said, "Well," I said, "I can't find a deer," and he says, "Well, maybe look where there's a deer just laying on the ground, and there was a deer just laying on the ground in the creek." Yeah.
I'm so proud of you.
I don't know. I'm proud of myself. I love you.
I love you too. I'm so happy for you.
But Mom, guess what? When you say good luck, that's good mom's luck. We're skinning the deer now. Gutting it, skinning it, and here. Now I'm not kidding. Oh, well.
Yeah, that's fine. Come on.
Hello. There it is. And boom. Yep.
You're good. Yeah, I'm gonna back up into this.
Let me move y'all guys over a little bit. Sorry if it's janky. My bad if it's janky. But I'm just y'all guys over so y'all can see a little bit better. There y'all guys go. Yay! Hello. I'm back. Oh, I just kicked you. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, okay? That's my bad. I'm so sorry, okay? Can y'all guys forgive me? But But yeah, it's just been hanging there. I want
He is loaded down with ticks.
blur that part out, Dad. Blur the thing out.
He's okay. Need a number on that shoulder. We'll get it skinned out real fast and debone it and put it on ice.
Spin it around.
Alright, well, we're gonna get this done real quick. You come right out that shoulder.
Okay, hello. It's been a little while since we've caught up. Well, I've caught up to you guys. So, yeah. Yes, I'm swinging and y'all guys can't see it. I don't want y'all guys to. Nope, you guys can't. Ha ha ha. It's too violent. We can't show it on YouTube. Yeah, we can't. Yeah, I can't show you my hands either. They're too bloody. I can't. Too bad. Yeah. I know. I really do. At least we get to eat the heart. Yay!
Back in the stand this afternoon, or in the box blind. We've moved to the other side of the property this afternoon. We came in last night. We had a few deer hanging out in this food plot. We haven't had any rain, so it looks a little rough, just from the lack of rain. We got his deer all deboned and taken care of and put on ice. So,
But we had a little battle with the wasp this evening. We came in and there was a wasp nest. Dad took care of them. Most of the wasps he killed with his gun. And I've been backhanded over my head.
watching the Razorbacks beat Mississippi State. It should be the final play of the game. Our local high school lost last night for the first time this year. So at least the Razorbacks won. We're gonna hunt here till dark and then we'll cook us some cheeseburgers and watch some movies. I don't know what that is. Look behind your head.
Don't touch me. I definitely didn't pull my hat off at a
Get him. See if we can't get another one.
So there's something behind us. It's like, Dad said it sounds like a human. I'll stick my head out this window, and whenever this noise started, whatever it was, or whoever it was scared off the vultures because I saw them fly off. We can hear it right now. I don't know about y'all, but we can. Just in case you know, like. What I realized, so I don't think it's gonna be pretty. Whatever it was, it scared off as soon as it saw.
Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on, but there's something making a lot of noise behind us. It's probably just an armadillo.
Getting attacked or something.
But we gave it a good shot this afternoon. We got about 3 minutes left of legal light. We're gonna wrap this thing up and head back to the cabin.
You can probably barely see me right now. That should be a little bit better. We had a good hunt today. Yeah, we have a bunch of meat. I'm excited to try a deer heart a little bit, but the best thing. Dad, come look. I need to show you guys.
What is it?
It's a cicada. It's like a little cicada.
Wait a second.
Bye bye. Night night. Night night. Night night.